In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to say, so your request is clear, complete, and more likely to be resolved quickly. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into your account and have your reservation details handy, like your confirmation number, travel dates, and the property name. It also helps to review the cancellation or refund policy shown on your confirmation, so you can reference it in your message. Start by heading to Booking.com and look for the Contact Customer Service option. You'll typically find this in the Help section. Click that to open the support area where you can reach a real person. Next, choose Get Help with a Booking. This routes you to assistance specifically for an existing reservation rather than general questions, which keeps things focused and faster. You'll now see a prompt to select a category. Pick the category that best fits your situation, such as cancellations, charges, or refunds. This helps the system guide your request to the right team. If your request is about accommodation, choose Stays. Selecting the right product type ensures the support agent sees the relevant tools and policies for your reservation. From there, choose Message Customer Service. This opens a secure messaging window where you can write out your refund request. Messaging is great because everything is documented in one place, and you can refer back to it later. In the message box, type your request clearly and politely. Include your reservation number, the dates, the property name, and a short summary of what happened. If you believe you're entitled to a refund under the policy, mention the specific policy language or the cancellation terms you saw on your confirmation. If you're asking for an exception, briefly explain the reason and include any relevant timeline, like when you canceled and when you were charged. Keep it concise but complete, and avoid sharing sensitive payment details. You can say which card or method you used without listing full numbers. When you're satisfied with what you've written, click Send. After sending, keep an eye on your Booking.com inbox and your email for updates. Customer service may contact the property on your behalf, and they'll follow up with the outcome or ask for clarification if needed. Processing times can vary, so allow a few business days for a response and, if a refund is approved, additional time for your bank or payment provider to post the funds. If you get a reply asking for more information, respond in the same message thread to keep everything organized.